Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, which was released in 2019. This is the cloud blue color. Right now you can see the box of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, and as soon as I open it, you can see the watch inside it. So I'm taking it out of the box right now, and this is the watch in the cloud blue color. This is the 44mm version, and then in the round paper box which you see inside is a USB-A to a wireless charger for the watch, as the watch charges magnetically with the use of the wireless charger. So you can plug it into a existing charger, and this is the unboxing of the Watch Active 2. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, share and comment. See you in the next video tomorrow. Bye.